guys, my name is Juliana Palencia, aka Jujubee, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get 2 super easy, creative, fun, festive ready hairstyles for your curly hair. And these are not your average curly hairstyles. I wanted to do something really different and really fun. Also, if you have some video requests or hairstyle requests, let me know down in the comments. I was thinking about doing curly hairstyles for summer. So let me know down in the comments if that's something you'd like to see. If you're new to my channel and you'd like to see more from me, then you can hit that subscribe button. And also, if you enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to give it a thumbs up because it would really help me out a lot. And enough of my rambling, and let's just get into the video. So I'm starting off with an old wash and go. My hair is getting kind of frizzy, so the first style is going to be a single bun. So I'm first going to start off with parting my hair. I'm just going to put away this half because I'm going to be working with this side. So now I'm going to take my water bottle that like all the curly girls use. I just got in the mail, and honestly, it's not that special. I thought it was going to be like a super continuous water flow, but it's just that. Like, it's kind of like a regular water bottle. So I felt a little catfished, but it looks cute. I'm just going to spray the front of my hair. Oh guys, I think I get it. If you keep pressing it, holding it down, like pressing it while it's down, it'll spray the whole time. So I wasn't catfished. I take it back. You guys want to sponsor me now? So now I'm going to take a bit of my Eco Styler gel, and this is a super protein Eco Styler, and I'm going to rub that into my edges in the front of my hair. And also, no, not there right now, just the front of my hair. So now I'm just going to brush my hair up into a bun. So now I'm just going to take my rat tail comb and brush my edges, because if y'all follow me, you guys know I love to do my edges. Next, I'm going to apply this stretchy silver thread to my hair underneath the hair tie. I'm going to wrap it around once and then just start wrapping it around really randomly. And all of that literally didn't even do much, so I'm going to take some more. So next I'm just going to do the exact same thing to the other side. So you can keep it like this if you want to. It's already fun and festive enough, but I'm going to take it a step further because I'm kind of extra. So I'm going to take my Glitter Up Babe. I bought this at Ulta in the color Aqua, and I'm going to put this right here around the part. It's not like pour out glitter, it's like a creamy glitter. So this is the consistency. It's kind of like a gel almost. I'm going to start applying that around the part. So I know not everyone likes this look. Actually, when I first saw someone do this to their hair, it reminded me of dandruff. But I think it's a fun way to change up things. And as I said, you don't have to do this step if you don't want to. You can completely leave it out. So I personally like it, so I'm going to add it there. I'm also going to add a pop of glitter here, just because this is like body glitter too. I just added some glitter here as well, just because I feel like that makes it a little bit more of a festive and fun look, and it also matches my nails. So something really awesome about this glitter is that it just wipes right out. So once you're done, or even if you don't like it, you can just wipe it out. So this next hairstyle is going to be, if you can't tell, pink and purple theme. So I'm just going to take out a few hair in the front here. A few hair, that sounds weird. A few strands here and here. I'm just gonna kind of twist that to get it out the way. And then this back part is going to go into a bun. And luckily my edges are already done, but if they're not and you like to do your edges, then you can do them now. So I'm just gonna wrap all of that here and kind of start like squishing it into the hair tie. That went a lot easier than I expected. Wow. So next, I'm gonna take this hair in the front here and wet it a bit. Detangle it with my Denman. And then I'm going to do a braid. You can do a twist if you want, but my twists tend to shrink up a lot. So a braid stays a little bit more stretched out for me so that I can be elongated. So I'm gonna leave the ends curly. I'm gonna twist it around and then kind of scrunch it up so it's like a coil at the bottom. And then I'm gonna do the exact same thing to this side. So you can leave it just in braids if you like, but I'm gonna take my beads here, a bunch of different variations of pink and purple, and I'm gonna apply these to my braids. I have a little bead applicator thingy. So I'm gonna put 5 on there like this, and then put the braid through that loop, push it up towards the braid, hold the bottom of the beads, and then just pull it through. And then curl up the bottoms a bit. And then when the curls start shrinking up, it helps it to stay in a place. But I'm gonna do the same exact thing to the other side. So next I'm gonna take some hairspray to do a purple and pink bun. And I'm gonna be using my Salon Grafix hairspray. This is in the shade Popstar Pink, and I'm just gonna apply this to the top of the bun. So not all over the bun, only the top, to kind of give it like an ombre effect. You know what? I think I'm gonna add a bit more of the Punky purple. So if you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up. Also comment some hairstyle suggestions that you would like to see, or if you like to see like a cute summer hairstyles tutorial, then let me know that as well. If you enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and you can also follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Snapchat at GGB. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I really hope you have a great day.